Good morning, students. Today we will start our English class with another grammar topic, that is the adverb. Kinds of adverbs. So, first of all, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स दे टेक इट एज कि एडवर्ब क्या होता है, जो एक वर्ब के बारे में हमें बताता है. नो, इट इज़ नॉट ओनली वर्ब, रादर इट टेल्स अस अबाउट एन एडजेक्टिव ऑल्सो और another adverb in the sentence. Now see the examples. First is he ran fast. वो तेज भागा. Now the word fast, इट इज़ टेलिंग अस अबाउट द वर्ब. वो भागा, कैसे भागा, तो वो कैसे का आंसर दे रहा है. दैट इज़ वाई फास्ट इज एडवर्ब हियर. इट इज़ टेलिंग अस अबाउट द वर्ब रैन. ओके, सो फास्ट इज एडवर्ब. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, ही इज़ वेरी क्विक. नाउ हियर क्विक इज एडजेक्टिव. नाउ द वर्ड वेरी, इट इज़ टेलिंग अस अबाउट कि वो क्विक है, तो कितना क्विक है, बहुत क्विक है. सो हेयर इट इज़ एडिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ एडजेक्टिव क्विक. सो एडवर्ब क्या है, जो एक वर्ब के बारे में बताता है, एक एडजेक्टिव के बारे में. एंड ही रैन वेरी फास्ट, बहुत तेज भागा. नाउ फास्ट इज एडवर्ब. अब ये फास्ट के बारे में बता रहा है कि कितना फास्ट, वेरी. सो इट मीन्स एडवर्ब क्या है, विच मॉडिफाइज अ वर्ब रैन, विच मॉडिफाइज एन एडजेक्टिव क्विक, और another adverb fast, right? So this is how you come to know what is an adverb. Now we have kinds of adverbs. First it is adverb of place. Second, adverb of time. Third, adverb of manner. So you remember it like this: PTM, place, time, manner. Next is adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, and the sixth is interrogative adverb, right? So one by one I'll explain all the kinds. So first we will take up with adverb of place. As the name itself says, adverb of place means एक ऐसा वर्ड जो हमें ये बताता है कि where the action takes place. An adverb of place tells where or at what place an action is done, कि काम कहाँ पे हुआ है. ओके, ऐसा वर्ड किसी भी सेंटेंस में जो हमें ये बताता है कि काम कहाँ पे हुआ है, दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. द पियन इज सिटिंग आउटसाइड. नाउ इफ यू मेक क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज द पियन सिटिंग, द पियन इज सिटिंग आउटसाइड. सो आउटसाइड इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. इट इज टेलिंग अस अबाउट प्लेस कि वेयर इज ही सिटिंग. सेकेंड, ऑल द बेडरूम्स आर अपस्टेयर्स. कहाँ पे हैं सारे बेडरूम, अपस्टेयर्स, ऊपर. सो अगेन दिस इज गिविंग आंसर ऑफ वेयर. थर्ड, रमेश विल मीट मी देयर. वेयर विल ही मीट, इट इज देयर. सो अगेन दैट इज अ प्लेस. फोर्थ, somebody is hiding inside. Where is somebody hiding? Answer is inside. So एक ऐसा वर्ड जो हमें ये बताता है कि कोई काम कहाँ पे हो रहा है, दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. नेक्स्ट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. व्हेन, कब हुआ काम. सो एन एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम टेल्स when or at what time an action is done, कि कोई काम कब किया जाता है, किस समय पे किया जाता है. जो वर्ड हमें ये बताता है, दैट इज एन एडवर्ब. एग्जाम्पल इज आई शैल गो टुमारो. सो व्हेन, इट इज टुमारो. Second, the train will arrive soon. When will the train arrive? It is soon. So it is again adverb of time. I rise early. मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ. When do you get up? When do you rise? It is early. So early is again adverb of time. Fourth, the workers will begin their work now. कब करेंगे काम? Now. So again answer to when is adverb of time. Now third kind, adverb of manner. I told you about PTM, adverb of place we have done, adverb of time we have done. Now it is adverb of manner. Manner means how. So an adverb of manner tells how or in what manner an action is done. कि कोई काम किस तरह से किया गया. That is adverb of manner. Example, the tortoise walks slowly. कैसे चलता है? It is slowly. So it is adverb of manner. The man shouted angrily. कैसे चिल्लाया? Again manner. It is angrily, गुस्से में. Third, the soldiers fought bravely. कैसे लड़े soldiers? Bravely. Now you must have noticed कि इन तीनों में it is ly is used. So adverb of manner में we may use ly. It is not compulsory that every adverb of manner will be followed by ly. Okay. Now see the next example. Reena worked hard to win the prize. Now here we are not using ly. Okay. But how Reena worked? Answer is hard. So it is adverb of manner. Right. Now we move on to next kind, that is adverb of frequency. Frequency means how often. An adverb of frequency tells how often or how frequently an action is done. कि कोई काम कब कब किया जाता है, कितनी बार किया जाता है. That is adverb of frequency. Adverb of time tells us when the work is done, right? So adverb of frequency tells us how often, kitni baar. So see the examples. First is, I called at your office twice. How many times? It is twice. Second, she is always late for school. How often is she late? कब कब late होती? हमेशा ही, अक्सर, हमेशा ही. The milkman comes to our house daily. How often does he come to your house? It is daily. So it is again adverb of frequency. And the fourth is, he often makes excuses. वो अक्सर बहाने बनाता है. कब कब बहाने बनाता है? अक्सर बहाने बनाता है. So it is adverb of frequency. Next kind is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree gives us answer of how much. An adverb of degree tells how much or to what extent a thing is done. कि कोई काम कितना किया गया, किस हद तक किया गया. That is adverb of degree. So see the examples. The old man was very tired. So कितना tired था? बहुत tired. Very. So very is adverb of degree. Second, the sun is extremely hot. कितना hot है? बहुत ज़्यादा. So extremely is adverb of degree. The jug is nearly full. कि जग तकरीबन भरा हुआ है. So कितना भरा हुआ है? Nearly. So it is adverb of degree. And the fourth is, Mohan is too careless. कितना careless है? बहुत ज़्यादा. So it is Mohan is too careless. Too is again adverb of degree. So all the words written in red give answer of how much. So these are adverbs of degree. Next, last kind is interrogative adverb. Now, an interrogative adverb is used to ask questions. As the name itself says, interrogative means जो questions पूछने के लिए adverbs यूज़ किए जाते हैं. Now here you are to understand कि ये जो questions हैं, ये जो WH words हैं, these all are related to place, time, reason and manner. For example, like when we are to ask something related to place, we make question with WH word where. So it is, where is the thief hiding? So where is adverb of, it is interrogative adverb. It is giving answer of place. Okay, so for place we make question where. So it is interrogative adverb. Next is, when will the bus come? So it is related to time. So again WH word when, it is interrogative adverb. Why is she crying? Why? It is used to ask a reason. So WH word why is also interrogative adverb. And how, related to manner. How did you open the box? So it is again interrogative adverb. Now let's take a quick recap. What we have learnt, it is adverb of place, it gives answer of where. Adverb of time, it gives answer of when. Adverb of manner gives answer of how. Adverb of frequency gives answer of how often. And adverb of degree, it gives answer of how much. Interrogative adverb, it is used to ask question related to place, manner, time and reason. So this is how you are to understand the concept of adverbs. I hope the things are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.